Moosend for email marketing, honest review, watch before using. If you're considering Moosend for your email marketing, this review is for you. Moosend is a cloud-based email marketing and automation platform designed to help businesses of all sizes run effective email campaigns without breaking the bank. Its standout features include an easy-to-use drag-and-drop email editor, pre-built automation workflows, list segmentation, and detailed analytics. It also offers landing pages, subscription forms, and even integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it especially appealing for online stores and small to medium-sized businesses. Let's talk about the pros first. Moosend's interface is clean and straightforward, which makes it easy to create professional-looking emails even if you're not a designer. The platform provides a wide variety of customizable templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. One of Moosend's biggest strengths is its automation capabilities. You can create workflows for actions like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and customer follow-ups, all without manual intervention. These automations save time and boost engagement. Additionally, Moosend provides advanced segmentation options, allowing you to target specific subscribers based on behavior, location, or purchase history. This is crucial if you want to increase conversions. Moosend also shines when it comes to affordability. Unlike many competitors, it offers unlimited emails on all plans, and their pricing is very transparent. There's even a free trial that lets you explore the platform before committing. Another great aspect is their analytics dashboard, which provides real-time insights into your campaigns, from open rates and click-throughs to subscriber activity. You can see exactly what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly. Now, the downsides. One of the biggest cons is that Moosend's integrations are somewhat limited compared to other email marketing tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. While it covers major platforms like Zapier and Shopify, it might not have direct integrations with niche tools you need. Another issue is that its landing page builder is not as advanced as dedicated tools like Unbounce or Leadpages. If landing pages are a core part of your strategy, you may feel limited here. Also, the reporting features, while detailed, lack some depth. For instance, you won't find super advanced reporting on customer lifetime value or multi-touch attribution. Who is Moosend best for? It's ideal for small businesses, e-commerce stores, and marketers who need a cost-effective email solution with strong automation features. However, if you're a large enterprise or need deep integrations and advanced reporting, you may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Moosend is a powerful, user-friendly platform that delivers great value for its price. It's perfect for businesses looking to simplify their email marketing while leveraging automation. But be mindful of its limitations, especially if you need complex integrations or top-tier landing pages.